Hey everybody, hi and welcome and thanks for joining me and the Sidekicks for today's video. So Zena's already trying to make a break for it, so she'll say hi before she runs. She's very busy. Wyatt's here too, you can see him, and he's pretty sleepy. So for today's video, I have a Stella Dot unbagging for you. Love Stella Dot. I actually got turned on to Stella Dot by one of you. So one of my awesome viewers told me all about Stella Dot, got me turned on to it. And now that I'm involved, I get all kinds of rewards, special discounts. My stylist is always letting me know what's going on. Thank you, Liz. She always keeps me posted on any specials that are going on anytime there's half prices, which is my favorite. And that's what's inside this bag. So I got some Stella Dot dollars, 25 off 50, plus there was sales going on, and I did a little bit of shopping, and I'm going to share it with you today. Stella Dot has so many different things on their website, from clothing to handbags to jewelry, that I always have so much fun on their website, and it's hard for me to try to stick to a budget, but I try. So I have 4 items to share with you, 3 jewelry items, 1 clothing item. Everything I got, I had 4 25 off 50 Stella Dot dollars, bucks to use. So I spent a total of $114 before tax. And I also had $11.96 in credits because I joined the rewards program as well. So for every dollar that you spend, you get 10% back in credit for the next time you purchase. So always a good deal. I think I did pretty well, and let's get right to it. All right, so inside my bag here, they send you a little card that is a little thank you note that tells you that Style Powered by Women, your order supports independent women in business and their local communities, and our greater goal to create flexible income for women around the world. So this is really nice because it does point out that this is for small business. And I got a coupon here for, it says take $20 or $30 off with this promo code from January 13th through the 20th. So I'll share that with you just in case you can use that. Awesome. All right, let's get right to the stuff. So first up, the smallest box. And I'll give you the regular price, and then I got just slightly over half off with the 25 off 50 plus my little almost $12 worth of credit. Oh, so first up is a pair of earrings. This is what was in my smallest little box here, and I thought these were so pretty. So check these out. These are called the Ritzy Earrings, and their regular price was $39. So how pretty are those? I thought these were just gorgeous. And they weren't too big, but yet they are a little bit glitzy. So here's another look. Aren't those pretty? Let's see what they look like on. It does say to handle with care, so you get a little card with it. And it says to handle with care due to the nature of this design. This style requires delicate handling. Please wear, store, and travel with extra care to prolong the life of your Stella Dot style. So it does come with a disclaimer. I have not had any issues with any of my pieces yet. A couple of them, they just gave you a little bit of a warning, but I've not had any issues with them. So these are really pretty. Love that. So pretty. Let me get the other one in. All right, so I have them both in. Look how pretty that is. Uh-oh, Wyatt hears something. Look how pretty. I think the size is just perfect. And they do add just a little bit of glitz and glam, don't they? So these are called the Ritzy Earrings. So cute. All right, next, we'll do the next biggest box. doesn't necessarily mean it's bigger. So this also comes with the same handle with care cards. So I'm guessing this comes with all of the jewelry. And this is a ring. So can you guys see that? So it is it's an open ring. It has little stones there on the side. And this is in gold. I actually believe I bought the same one in silver in my last haul and I really liked it. So I thought this was really pretty. I'm hoping you guys can see the stones in that. So I'll put it on, hopefully you can see it. So these earrings, the original price was $39, so I paid less than $20 for these. I think these are really pretty. This is the regular price of this is $19, and I would have paid less than $10. You guys can hear my son. He's playing on his game, so if you hear any yelling, it's him yelling at his friends while he plays his game on Xbox. So here's what this looks like. I think that's so cute. Just a nice basic ring. I like the smaller size because I also thought I can wear it on several different fingers because I could also wear it as a midi ring as well as wear it as a regular ring, and it could be pretty versatile. And you could stack it. Yeah, so I thought that was super cute for less than $10. All right, moving along. The next necklace. I'm really excited about this item. So I had seen it on their site before and had wanted it. It's a pendant, but it was a little bit pricey, so I did not get it because the normal price of this is $79. But it really stood out to me. I thought it would be so nice with so many things because when I wear longer necklaces, I like the kind that have come down to a point in the middle for whatever reason. I don't like them just to be rounded. I feel like they always tend to hook on something, so I do prefer the kind that have something weighted in the middle. So this one I really was drawn to. That came in silver, gold, and I believe rose gold as well. This one is the silver. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut it to get it unattached. So as I said, the original price is $79, and I would have got it for less than half price. So probably around $38. Here's what it looks like. So I thought this was so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. It comes on a nice chain. Here's what it looks like. It has several hooks here so you can adjust it a little bit. And here's what it looks like on. Yeah, so I think that's so pretty. And I'll stand up and show you as well because I have one top as well that I got that I'm going to share with you. So I think this is so pretty. What do you guys think of this? It has some nice weight, so it is going to stay in place exactly where you put it. And it's not going to flail around. It has just enough weight to keep it right here in the middle. I love that. So I think this is so pretty. Love it. All right, one more thing. Animal print. I'm excited about this. And the original price of this was $89. And it is so soft. This is so soft. And it is called the, let me first tell you, this was called the Rebel Pendant. So that's what the name of this is, the Rebel Pendant. Okay, this next item is called the Zip Pullover. It's called Crazy Soft Terry in Gray Leopard. Okay, and it does have these zippers on the side. So it is super soft, like sweatshirt material. I love how far up these zippers go. So I'm going to show you, they come almost the whole way up to the top of where the arm starts. Crazy long, both sides. The back is slightly longer than the front. Feels like a sweatshirt material. So soft. And then it has this very pretty light gray leopard material, or pattern. Sorry, pattern. Really like this. And the inside is fleecy. How cute is that? All right, so let me put this on for you and show it to you with my pendant necklace. I'll be right back. All right, so here is the tunic on. I don't know if I can get close enough to it so you can really see how soft and fleecy this is, but it is super soft. The inside super soft as well. The zips come really high, almost the whole way up to the arm. So really cute. You can put the zips anywhere that you like them. So you can leave them partly up, all the way up. You could put a shirt underneath it and have that show through. You could keep it all the way down, wherever you would like it. So I think this is such a super cute little tunic. I had these boots on already today, so I just left them on for this try on. I have just jeans and the over the knee boots, but you could do leggings, or you could dress this up with, yeah, you could even do dress pants, I think, with this. You could do any number of things with this tunic, I feel. It could be super casual or super dressy. So here's what it looks like slightly up. You could go a little bit higher if you wanted. I think it would look cute with another shirt underneath it, like do a color like pink or something bright underneath it and leave that open. And then this is what it looks like down for more of a tighter fit if you'd like. I like both. I think the zipper adds a nice look to it. It's a nice detail. And then this is the necklace. You can see another closer look at it, which I'm really liking this pendant. And the chain is really pretty too. I really like the length of this tunic. And I don't mind that the back is a little bit longer than the front. I think this is cute. I love how cozy it is. So what do you guys think? All right, I still have all the items on. I still have my earrings on and the ring, which I think is super cute for just a delicate little ring. All right, so that's all of my Stella and Dot items for today. I had fun with this. Before tax, it was $114. I think after tax, I spent $118 on all 4 items. So considering the original price of this was, what did I say? $89, and the necklace was $79, and the earrings were originally $39, and the ring $19. I don't think I did too bad. I'm feeling pretty good. All right, I will list all these items down below. I will also put the information for my stylist, Liz, in case you would like to work with her and shop Stella and Dot. So thanks so much. I so appreciate you spending time with me and my sidekicks today. Please consider hitting that like button. Would love it if you'd hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. It really supports my channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you. Till next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.